gentlemen, to Dominion today, home of the triple play game day. That's right, trade for profits in just 3 days, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Aaron Barbie. Welcome to the site. I can't believe it. You're ready to do this. I'm ready to do this. I've been working alongside with my family for the last few months, and they've been seeing some really good gains, and I'm just happy that they've taken the leap forward and they're learning how to move that currency, baby. It doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Euros, Aussie dollars, you name it. Gold, oil, we're making it move, we're making it shake. Apple, Amazon, we see you and we're there, baby. We're making that money. You go up, we go up, you go down, we go down, baby, okay? We have full control over our currency flow, and that's what we want to teach everybody here at Dominion today. Do you understand? Okay, 3 days and it's on. You can see here, my family is using the same strategy that you guys are going to see inside of the 3-day game day. And when you have success, ladies and gentlemen, you have to share it, okay? And so we found a very successful strategy, very easy blueprint. It literally gets you in profit as soon as you start implementing the blueprint. And that's what we're all about. Small wins from the beginning, big wins to the end. Do you understand?
Yes.
Take a picture? Alright, let me see what you're gonna do.
You doing a video, I'm not gonna smack you.
Alright, hold on. That 300%, the numbers don't even fit.
Ooh.
Wow, dude, you're gaining. Okay, guys. That's my mom. She's going off. My dad's focused.
He said he feels satisfied now, though.
Nice. You done?
Okay. Oh, no.
Oh, phone call. Turn it off. Not the phone call, guys. Not the phone call. So you see my parents, they're having fun. 300%, that's pretty nasty, guys, okay? I don't know if you know what that looks like, but let's just say if you had $1 million and you made 300% on that $1 million, I think you know what you got, okay? 100% is another $1 million. Let's multiply that by 3. You got $3 million. And so it's a big deal what we're doing over here, ladies and gentlemen. 3 days of games. You're going to get connected. You're going to build your financial foundation. A lot of people, you know, they have one bank account, one debit card, and they're like, I'm good with that. I don't need any more bank accounts. I don't need any more debit cards. It's just too much to handle. In the future, I'm going to let you know, you better learn to handle more than you got. You understand? Especially if you want to get wealthy, you want to, you know, build those riches up. Wealthy people, they don't just have one account, ladies and gentlemen, okay? They have multiple accounts, and they've learned how to make the money flow inside the financial markets. And you guys are going to do the same thing, okay? We're going to do live walkthroughs. We're going to play around a little bit on the playground, the financial world, okay? We're going to ride the slides, the swings. We're going to do everything, baby, okay? Believe in that. And move your currency to profit. We're going to trade on the 3rd day, guys, so you better get ready. It's going to be intense. It's going to be fun, and it's going to be liberating, because when you can make money, you become a different human, okay? Now, right now, the 4th Industrial Revolution literally is advancing on everyone. I don't know if you guys are paying attention to that, but networks are changing, right? The internet's changing. We have the cloud now. We have the new technology, which is the blockchain, you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of those. And that's literally already here, but a lot of people, they're not in tune. So we're going to get you guys strapped, ready to go here in 3 days. Better believe it. And so the reason why I'm doing this is because a lot of people don't understand like how the world's changing. I've been looking at the world changing since I was a little kid, and I was really waiting on some new money to come in. That was my key. That was my sign, right? And lo and behold, back in 1988, the Rothschilds published in their Economist magazine, get ready for a world currency in the year 2018. You can see the cash burning up. right? You can see the 10 cent on the coin, the Phoenix, right? A lot of people, they don't understand what that means. And back in 1988, with the internet being baby fresh new, I don't think people understood 10. That's 101010. That's computer code. You can see the 10 is net backwards, and the Phoenix actually is two words broken up. One word being Russian, the other word being Chinese. And let me tell you guys, when I started my road on, cryptocurrency and trading, doing all that, I first was investing in ICOs. That was initial coin offerings. That's where the private side, they kick everybody else out, and they get everything very, very, very cheap, and then it goes public, right? And so I was showing people how to participate in that. We were turning like $200 into 5 figures, 4 figures. It was a beautiful thing. But in 2018, the feds came in and literally took over everything. And from there, I saw that, this has been a plan the whole time. And so that being said, we have to really pay attention to learning how to move money, because not only has AI come in and taken jobs, there's a whole new way of pretty much operating on the globe. This fourth industrial revolution is for real, and a lot of people are not prepared. But you can see the trillionaire Rothschilds, they were grabbing a lot of gold. You guys can see here in 2020 what did gold do. Gold went to all-time high, and I bet you they're selling. Okay, so the job landscape, this is via the World Economic Forum. They control pretty much the world. All right, if you're not the top 100 corporations in the world, you can't even be a part of them. Okay, and so they're showing you by 2022, you have the top 10 declining jobs there. I know you guys know a lot of people. You're probably working in some of those positions. You need to get out. You need to get out. Not only that, you need to learn some new skills. Now, they have the top 10 emerging right there, but I know a lot of people are in a position where they really can't go back to school. They really can't learn new trades. I'm here to tell you that any job you do, you're still trading. You're still a master trader. Some people, they just trade, their time and their sweat equity for not enough money. And so that means they're in a losing trade, and they need to evacuate, or they need to get a better job and trade less hours for more money, right? But a lot of people, they don't think that way. And so in the future, a lot of people, they don't know this because they're spitting out a lot of Bitcoin. The whole world is building on top of Ethereum. So if you saw the World Economic Forum before, then this would be the cryptocurrency equivalent. With JP Morgan Chase Bank, you can see on the right hand side. You can also see Intel, ING Bank. You're going to see all the banks here. Okay. And JP Morgan Chase, they were at the beginning of this, along with Microsoft. You can see in that picture, along with Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, along with Rockefeller Foundation, and many others. Okay, they're building a new world on top of Ethereum. Not only that, but the digital ID 2020 that they want to put the chip inside of every human, that's going to be running on Ethereum blockchain as well, ladies and gentlemen. So you can see here down at the bottom a little description. Human body activity associated with a task provided to a user may be used in a mining process of the cryptocurrency system. And so you'll understand what mining means pretty much. It's just a transaction going through. It is the natural way of taxing the economy. But you'll notice that the government has already passed a couple of extra taxes so they can really triple dip into your monies. All of this was happening while everyone else was looking at Trump tweets. But you can see the publication at the top left, the applicants being Microsoft Technology Licensing LLC. At the bottom, you can see that on the left-hand side. And at the top, the publication number is WO 2020-0606. One more time, 06. So it's 3 6s. Pretty crazy stuff, right? But you can see here, cryptocurrency earned from carrying out microtasks is taxable. You can see the IRS, they already have it made. They're already building this. They already built it. Everything's ready to go. You guys are going to be getting taxed on having sex, kissing, drinking soda. Facts. You're also going to get paid though to do these things. Now, what's inside of the chip? Well, we have the quantum dot vaccinations that's going to be holding this chip, and the active component inside this chip that creates the infrared. All right, it's called Luciferi's. You know, you got publications with 060606 in it. And Luciferi's, I don't know what to think, guys. I don't know what to think anymore. Okay, but here it goes. This is the chip. So all of your cryptocurrency, all your money, all of your shots, all of your medical history, all of your passports, things of that nature, will be on this chip. So you're really going to have to learn how to move money around, ladies and gentlemen, because the world is changing and the job landscape is not exactly how it used to be. Okay, and so we're going to show you guys how to leverage this new world coming up. We're going to show you guys how to leverage the financial system so that you never have to worry about jobs or any of that, nonsense ever again. Okay, so you can see we have the W-2 employee on the left with no leverage, and they're using all their time and sweat, right, for the cash. We don't want you guys doing that anyways. It's just most of the time a bad trade. Okay, and at the bottom you have your self-employed. Right? Now you really just own your job. You still have no leverage. But on the business side at the top right, that's when you begin to have leverage, because now you have a system and people work for you. Therefore, you're getting paid by the people. Okay? And so we mix all of these components together. And we've come up with a 3-day game plan so that we can have fun inside of these financial markets and utilize all 4 of these sectors, okay, that you see for success. With the bottom right one being passive income, okay? And so you guys are going to be investors. You're going to be investors, and you're also going to be business professionals, because in this new digital world, this digital economy, okay, you gotta have something going for yourself. And it's time. It's just time to have something going for yourself. And we're gonna show you guys exactly how to get that started. And you're gonna be in profit as soon as you do. Now, I can't make a guarantee on that, because some people, their fingers, the fingers in the brain that just, they don't like to work well with each other. So I don't know what buttons you're gonna press. But all I'm going to say is, if you press the right buttons, you should be good to go. All right? So we're going to knock your socks off with that. And we're just really going to give you guys the keys to success. You guys have seen it. I've seen it. Matter of fact, let's go see some more stuff. You guys can see here. Let's run it up. Okay? You guys can see here, I was able to withdraw 20,000. I'm still in profit, a little over 6,000, almost 7,000. Right? We got the 20,000 withdrawal right there. We have the separate trades going up. We got buy, sell, 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 buy, sell. We're gonna show you guys how to do this, man. You just pressing 2 buttons, guys. If the market's going up, you press buy. If the market's going down, you press sell. We're going to show you guys how to read that. Okay? In 3 days. Imagine moving your money from here to Forex lane to cryptocurrency, catching cryptocurrency while they're low, buying those up, selling them back when they're high, and you're able to do this confidently. Amazing, amazing stuff. Okay? So we're going to let you guys know that, and just remember this. You've worked all your life. You've given away money every week to the government. You've paid for your pension. You paid for your Social Security. You paid for insurance, things of that nature. And all the while, you could have been building your own pension fund. You could be building your own 401k if you knew how money likes to move and where it likes to move and how you could participate. You could be building your own pension funds. I mean, just look what happens when there's a boom and when there's a bust. All your money in your pension, all your Social Security, all your 401ks, they take hits. All the while, you could have been over here pressing sell when the markets bleed out. You could have been pressing sell and making way more money than you'll ever get in your pension fund, which will probably last you 1 to 3 years on average in America. Anyways, so let's get it, guys. It's game on. It's game time. Welcome to Dominion Today. I'm Aaron Barbie. Thank you for coming by. You already know what to do. Start game day.